Durastill Automatic Water Distiller, 12-gallon per day. You can find quite a variety of water distiller brands in the market these days. If you are new to these units, you may face some difficulty when choosing a brand you can trust. Luckily, Durastill has been around for an extended period and is one of the most famous brands for its various water-related devices. Choose its 12-gallon automatic water distiller. You will love this model if you want continuous water flow from your faucets. It will especially come in handy in kitchens for cleaning vegetables and other ingredients for lunch or dinner. The reserve tank in this model is capable of storing a large quantity of water, enough to make sure that you do not have to worry about the next day's supply if your connection stops providing water. Also, similar to several other Durastill water systems, this one also has a durable build. It can withstand years of rough use and can function well without regular maintenance. Although it would be in your best interest to clean its tank up now and then to prolong the unit's life. Connecting this model with your water line will not be an issue. You will get a thorough guide along with it to make sure assembly and connection are simple. Features: you can produce more than 46 liters in 24 hours. Uses a volatile system for gas ventilation. Heating element made from robust stainless steel. Comes with Durastill's patented float control feature. Almost 22 inches wide. Pros: easy installation, ideal for kitchen use, excellent water storage, low maintenance distiller. Cons: not ideal for low ceiling kitchens.